Yeah, so June 13th, 2026, we're here in Seaside Heights. Let's go, let's get across the street. The weather's amazing today. It's about 80 degrees. Got down here a tiny bit late. I wanted to get down here a little earlier, but we still got plenty of sunlight. It's only a little after 4. So I wanted to get here like 2 or 3, but it's okay. We're fine. But yeah, so we got a little big guy, HLG, rolling HLG, Pocket 3 camera. We got a live going on for a little bit. The live is on BRYAN, the Brian Pibry channel. BRYAN, PIBRY. So yeah, it's a little messed up, the live. The signal isn't so strong. I don't know why the signal isn't working so well. But we're here like on the outskirts here. The boardwalk is in front of me, behind me now. I'm walking this way. Let's just take a stroll on the streets a little bit first. And then we're gonna definitely stroll onto the boardwalk and all of that very, very soon. But let's just do a little bit of a walk here. And yeah, the live stream, something's wrong. It's not really working so well. Just gonna give it a few minutes, see what happens with the live stream. The signal's not working all that well. So we got a 7-Eleven right here, boom. Got the water park right here, beach and boardwalk. Pretty cool. You can actually feel the water. Like, I can't feel the water, but I smell it, like, you know, like the pool. It smells like a pool. You know, when you're by the pool, you smell the chlorine or whatnot. I guess that's what it is. Okay, so we have transmission now with the live, so that's good. Hopefully we're good, but it's the shore towns. It's a little bit like that on the shore towns. So yeah, we have the boardwalk over there. We're gonna be doing plenty of videos over there today on the boardwalk. Plenty of videos. I just want to get a little bit on the streets here. We got the park over there. It's like the water park going on. They got like a little pool and stuff. Can cool off today. So just want to do a little stroll on the streets. Definitely going to be a lot of videos coming today from Seaside. So check them out soon. And they'll be on the POV channel and the BRYAN channel. So that's Pibry POV and Brian Pibry. Right now the live is on Brian. So let's go. And I'm Brian, of course. That's who I am. That's 1 + 1 = 2. All right, there we go. Let's go. Okay, so how much city kind of walk do we have here in Seaside? I've never actually did a video on this part of the streets in Seaside because we're always focused on the actual boardwalk. But I don't think it's a bad idea to get a little video from here. Let's see what's cracking. We got some Little Mia's Pizza right here. Pizza spot, pretty cool pizza spot. So let's see what's crack-a-lacking. In the Seaside Heights, the Seaside Heights.
Blended together after a point.
So the Jersey Shore is alive and kicking right now. And we're not officially in summer, but we're very close to summer. But after Memorial Day, it's unofficially summer in America and here in Jersey Shore, South Jersey. So we are in the summer as far as we are concerned here in Jersey. And I guess all across America. So let's check out the streets. Seaside Heights, it's pretty far South Jersey, but it's not super far like Atlantic City, but it's pretty far down here. Pretty far down here. From where I'm at, I'm like a little bit farther. I'm like 40 miles or so. Like I've kind of mapped it. It's like, for me, like Seaside Heights and Flushing, Queens is about the same distance. But down here, the parking and getting here is much easier than getting there. It's mileage and terrain, you know, environment and all of that aren't the same thing. And Flushing, Queens is a good ways from Manhattan. If you're traveling from like Brooklyn, you got to get through Brooklyn and all of that. From Jersey, let me go over here. From Jersey, you got to get through like that way. You can go through Manhattan, but it's like train, and all of that, or whatnot, or congestion fee. But yeah, so Seaside is really nice today. Not many clouds in the sky, so the sky is very clear. So we have a very clear sky today. And honestly, a good thing that we're on the street is because when you do a live stream on the boardwalk, sometimes the congestion from the signal gets really messed up. I know Point Pleasant, it's happening right now, exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna do much live on the boardwalk. We'll see. But yeah, see right now we're losing signal. But that is part of the game. Okay, so this is the actual street next to the boardwalk. Okay, so can we go? There's a car right there, and the car's not slowing. So we can go. Gotta be careful of these cars. So yeah, already the live is losing transmission. This is what I've been mentioning.